Welcome to S2S Integrative Therapy. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and interest in learning with us. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Today we will look at creating a work-life balance for men. This can be challenging, but using dialectical behavior therapy, DBT, principles can help. Here are 10 specific tips for men to achieve a better work-life balance using DBT concepts. 1. Mindfulness practice. Tip: set aside 10 to 15 minutes daily for mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath and observe your thoughts without judgment. This practice helps you stay present and reduces stress. 2. Identify values. Tip: write down your core values, e.g., family, health, career. Use these values as a guide to prioritize your time and commitments, ensuring that your daily activities align with what matters most to you. 3. Set boundaries. Tip: clearly define your work hours and personal time. Communicate these boundaries to colleagues and family to minimize work-related interruptions during personal time. 4. Use the wise mind approach. Tip: when faced with decisions, balance emotional responses with rational thinking. Take a moment to evaluate how your choices align with your values and long-term goals. 5. Practice distress tolerance. Tip: develop coping strategies for stressful situations, such as deep breathing, taking a walk, or using positive affirmations. This can help you manage stress without resorting to unhealthy habits. 6. Prioritize self-care. Tip: schedule regular self-care activities, such as exercise, hobbies, or relaxation time. Treat these activities as essential appointments that enhance your overall well-being. 7. Engage in effective communication. Tip: practice assertive communication. Express your needs and feelings clearly and respectfully to both colleagues and family members to foster understanding and support. 8. Break tasks into manageable steps. Tip: when facing large projects, break them down into smaller, actionable steps. This makes tasks less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small achievements along the way. 9. Reflect and adjust. Tip: regularly assess your work-life balance. Set aside time weekly to reflect on what's working and what's not. Be willing to adjust your plans and strategies as needed. 10. Seek support. Tip: don't hesitate to reach out for support from friends, family, or professionals. Sharing your challenges can provide new perspectives and solutions, making it easier to maintain balance. DBT-based tips can help men achieve a better work-life balance through 1. Enhance mental well-being. By incorporating mindfulness and self-care practices, men can reduce stress and anxiety, leading to improved mental health. This creates a more positive outlook on both work and personal life. 2. Improve relationships. Effective communication and boundary setting foster healthier relationships with colleagues and family. This leads to better support systems, reducing feelings of isolation and increasing overall satisfaction. 3. Greater productivity. Breaking tasks into manageable steps and using the wise mind approach helps men focus on essential tasks without feeling overwhelmed. This results in increased efficiency and productivity in both personal and professional areas. 4. Alignment with personal values. Identifying and prioritizing core values ensures that men spend their time on what truly matters to them. This alignment leads to a more fulfilling life, where work complements personal goals rather than detracting from them. Implementing the DBT-based tips can help men create a more balanced life by promoting mindfulness, effective communication, and self-awareness. Regular practice and reflection on these strategies will lead to sustained improvements in work-life balance. Once again, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next session.